reminded of a man whose love is unconditional, loving the unlovable, embracing every soul. I am reminded of a man so full of compassion, moved by grief, moved by hunger and affliction. When hearts are broken, he is always near. His mercy speaks louder than every fear. Jesus, Jesus, you are all I need. Your love keeps carrying me. Jesus, Jesus, my hope and my peace. At your voice, every storm must cease. Jesus, Jesus, forever I'll believe. Your grace is enough for me. I am reminded of a man who calmed the raging sea. When the disciples feared they would never be free, he spoke with authority, peace be still. And even the furious storm obeyed his will. When my life is shaking and I cannot see, your peace, Lord Jesus, surrounds me. I am reminded of a man who turned water into wine. Even nature listens when he speaks in time. I am reminded of a man who heals every disease. With just one touch he brings my soul relief. Like the woman who reached for the edge of his cloak, I believe by faith my healing is invoked. I am reminded of a man who makes the blind to see. Whether physical or spiritual, he sets us free. His power is endless, beyond what eyes can measure. In his presence I have found my greatest treasure. And even today I know he can restore the things I thought I lost forevermore. You are the same yesterday and forever. Your power and your love will never change. What you did